We, Clawx Hackers, would like to show you our project FinMate, an expense tracker with GPT-4 recommendation system. Now, coming to the question, what actually is FinMate? FinMate is an all-in-one expense tracking app with a GPT-4 recommendation system. Coming to the features of FinMate, it is simple and has an easy to use user interface. It can track all our expenses. It categorizes expenses. You can view reports. You get monthly reports. It gives you expense breakdown. You can export your data to Excel for further analysis. Talking about GPT-4 integration, it offers personalized recommendations, budget suggestions, saving tips, budget optimization, budget allocation, and financial insight. Coming to the multi-language support, it helps displaced individual multilingual support to assist people displaced during wars. Accessible interface in various languages. Languages included are English, Spanish, Hindi, and more. Coming to the benefits of FinMate. It is an efficient expense tracking system. It keeps tracks of all your expenses in one place. It analyzes your spending habits with detailed reports, gives personalized financial advice. It gives personalized recommendations to optimize your budget and save more, gain insight into your spending patterns, and receive tailored suggestion, multi-language support, accessible interface in various languages. Coming to the future of FinMate, integration with financial services, development of a mobile application for easy to access to expense track and recommendations on the go. Thank you.
So now let's move on to the live demonstration of a project. The link of our project is as follows. So now let's move on to the demo. So first of all, I will enter a date here. I will give it a 2-second time to let the data save. Now I give a description like weekly groceries for the family. I enter the amount like say $1,000, waiting for it to save. My category is groceries. Now I will add expenses. It takes 10 to 15 seconds to add the expenses in an Excel file. Here it gives the link of the Excel file. If when you click it, it gets downloaded. Like here, it gets downloaded. This one. So now it also gives AI recommendation. It uses ChatGPT 4 model for the recommendations. I come here, select the recommendation option, give it some time to take my data, feed it into the model, and get a response and show me. So here is the data. It offers me some recommendation in my expenses. It just gives me like instead of spending 1,000 rupees on grocery a week, I would have spent only this much in a month. So now it also has a multi-language feature. Like if I turn it, click on the language to Spanish, it again runs the model, and instead this time instead of English, the response of the machine would be in a Spanish language. Like gasto total, combustible gasto do. So it gives the prompt for in like a Spanish. Now if I enter some random date, and if I write, as I don't know Spanish, I will write in English. I will just give some random amount to it, and then I click here. Actually, this was the add expenses button here. It gives the file. It says that the file is saved successfully. I can download the file, and when I go to recommendations from here, waiting, giving it some time to run. Sometimes it takes much time than expected. Like it can take 3 to 5 minutes sometimes. because of the server load in the backend. Now it gives us a response in Spanish language. You can see it. This is all about my project. Thank you.